the eigenvalues of the matrix A, right? Eigenvalues, suppose say this is a 2 by 2 matrix, then we have two eigenvalues, say lambda 1 and lambda 2, lambda 1 and lambda 2. Now by the eigenvalue property, we know that sum of the eigenvalue that is equal to trace of this matrix, that means cos theta plus cos theta 2 cos theta. Product of this matrix is equal to, that is equal to determinant of this matrix. What is determinant of this matrix? Cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is equal to 1. Now here if eigenvalue, two eigenvalue is given, one is e raised to I theta, another one is e raised to minus I theta. Now what is the product of, say this is lambda 1, this is lambda 2. Then lambda 1, lambda 2, that is determinant of this matrix. That is this into this, that is e raised to I theta into e raised to minus I theta, that is e raised to 0, that is equal to 1. So this condition is satisfied. Now you know that e raised to I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta plus lambda 1 I written, and lambda 2 is e raised to minus I theta is cos theta minus I sin theta. So this and this cancel, 2 cos theta will come, right? That means this both conditions satisfied. So this is the eigenvalue of this matrix, right? If first option is correct, we need not go to the second option. If this is not correct, obviously we jump into second option, alright?